So we have got only 3 search. Let us modify the things and see if we can get more people. If you find anybody who is appropriate among those, you can call them. Okay. So because that is simple, I'm not showing you whether any person is suitable from the search or not. Important is how to search. Okay. So here what we'll do is we'll first remove this MBA because that is not the requirement of the client. He requires any graduate. Let's click on search and see how many people we get. So we have got 4 people. Let us still modify and see if we get any particular other search. Let us remove this IT and hardware. Functional area, though it's IT, but still it comes under human resource, we can say. Okay. So let us try to search without this. I'm showing you example. If you change the criteria of your search, see what difference it makes. Okay. See, you have got 499 candidates. Alright. So that is why you have to keep mending, you have to keep changing, you have to keep modifying your search so that you find more number of people. The more number of people you have, you can call more number of people. You can talk to more and check if they are interested for this particular role and send them for the interview. Alright. So this was very important part. This is how you will be using the searches. Okay, now let us search for ID jobs. How to search ID people. See, the more you practice on non-IT initially, it will be easy for you to find IT people. And initial days of your recruitment, suppose if you are looking for a job, then whether it is IT or non-IT for you doesn't matter because you will learn and end of the day you will get the salary. But suppose if you are working as a freelance recruiter, I don't suggest you to even take any IT requirement at least for initial 4 or 5 months. Okay. In IT requirement, many things are there. I will tell you in next video, but however, I will show you the sample now. Information technology jobs in Hyderabad. Senior information technology. Let us see what is this. This is like, okay, alright. What is this responsibility? He's from medical background. Let us see some other job. Alright, so I have searched on IT job. Okay. The previous one is like very unique. So initially, if I show you the first one, it will not be easy for you to understand. Okay. So here we have requirement of software engineer. This is the title. 2, in IT industry, you have the company, you require the experience is there, salary is not disclosed, and location is there. Okay. Let us understand what exactly they want. Let us search. We require software person, right? So we'll search software. What is the title? Software engineer. Software engineer. Okay. Now senior software engineer, software developer, all those you can use. Okay. Now there are some other keywords given at the bottom. If the keywords are not there, then if the keywords client didn't give you, then you have to find the relevant job in the any job portal and see what are the keywords provided at the bottom. So here you can use any of these keywords. Application programming. Application programming. Some other keywords we can still see. IT architecture or technology solution. IT architecture. I dot T I T architecture. Architecture. IT architecture is right. Architecture. Okay. So you can choose that. Then again you can put none of this, all of this, depending on your requirement. Choose the location, choose the experience. Hmm? Notice period. Yes, this is very important in the ID, which I wanted to tell you later. In IT recruitment, what happens is when the company has a requirement, existing employee working in some other company will not join immediately, which happens mostly in the non-IT field. Okay, here he has to give notice period of at least 15 days, 1 month. That is why I'm telling you initially don't work on IT, but however I'm showing you the information.
In some companies, the employee has to serve a notice period of at least 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Okay, that is why in IT related job or software related job, clients will try to find somebody who is unemployed, so they will join very quickly. Okay.
So choose appropriate one. You can see what are those features whenever you are using your personal job portal and click on searches. So you have got like 20 lakh candidates. So again, you can filter as per your requirement, as per qualification and all. And that is how you can do it. Okay. So this is how you can search for ID. So in ID also you can check here, see, web application developer, SQL developer, ASP.NET. Just check in your JD if these things are mentioned. If these things are not mentioned, then see what are mentioned. Okay, testing is there, debugging is there, so you can put all these keywords in refining. See, codes, test, debugs. Let us try this. Let us go to advanced features. Testing will see and see. So depending on those, you have to put the and refine and see. 24,000 candidates. Like that, you can keep different keywords, try different keywords. It comes with the practice, and then you can refine and see. Okay. So understanding JD again and again, because initial days you have to keep checking. IT is like you need to have little experience initially to understand the terminology, the functionality, the job role. Okay, that is why initially I don't say work on IT. After 3 or 4 months, you can work on IT, or until unless you get a client like which is your personal friend, a personal company who has a personal company, personal friend who has a company who is going to help you, then you can take it. Otherwise, don't take it. But if you're getting a job, yes, you can do this.